Hello friends, welcome to my next video. In this video we are going to see how powerful Angular CLI is. This is basically command line interface and how beautiful, how powerful that tool is and how it helps us to make a successful application very fast. So in old times we have to make everything manually, like we have to create files, we have to add code and all these things which were taking a lot of time of developer that we had to do manually. Now in today's world, with the help of Angular CLI, things are really very easy. And I'll show you a little demo. Let's start that. So I'm opening a terminal, and in this terminal I am going to select my folder. In this folder I'm going to create a new project called ng new, and I'm going to create one app. Name of that app is dashboard app. So just I have to hit that command. All other things which are required, this Angular CLI will does that. So let's see how it creates all the files required for this app and how it set up that. It will ask me some questions like, yes, I need Angular routing and I need CSS. So you see the power of this CLI, how it creates file, install packages, and everything will be done automatically. We just have to hit that command. So how beautiful is that? Let's see that result. Once this application is successfully created, we will see that result in a browser. Okay guys, our application has been created. Now we'll open this application in VS Code. So we'll get to that location where our folder and we have created this application in my directory. It's dashboard app. So let's open this application in VS Code. Here we have all the code related to that, and in source folder we will have all the files which are required for this project. Now we are going to run this project. We will go in that directory, dashboard app. Now we will serve this application. So we can add HMR. This is hot module replacement feature, newly added in Angular. We can use this feature too. So we'll hit enter. It will start compiling the application, and once it successfully compiles, then we can see this application's result in our browser too. So it will take a moment and it will be compiling that, and we will see the results. Okay guys, application has been successfully compiled. Now let's see the result. It should load this. Here we go. So we have created an application called dashboard app, and we have served this application to everything we have done with the help of CLI. You see, I did not open any file. Now I'm going to open one file, an app.component, and in this file I'm going to delete this default content and going to add a simple line like welcome and with a smiling face. Once I save this, it will recompile and we will see the result. It will automatically show that what we have written in this file. Now I'm going to open terminal in VS Code with the help of control and backtick. With the help of that terminal, I'm going to run couple of commands and let's see what those commands does. Basically, first of all, I am going to add Angular material in our project, in our application. How we will add that? Angular material is something which gives better look to your application. The purpose of Angular material is to give a better styling and a completely new aesthetic, fresh look to your application. So I'm going to add this with the help of Angular CLI. How we will add that? It's ng add, and we will write Angular material. That's what we have to do. I'll hit enter. It will add this Angular material in our application. It will install all the required packages in package.json, and once this application once will it will add that, we will see the result. So we have to select theme for this Angular material. I am going to select this pink blue gray theme, and we will add typography, yes, with animation also, yes. So it will start installing packages required for that theme and for the selection we have made. Okay guys, our Angular material has been successfully installed. Now when we get to the browser, we will see that we did not see any significant change unless we see there's a slightly styling applied on this text. But we are not staying here. We will add a left panel called navigation panel and a dashboard whole section in on that page, and we will not do anything with the code. With the help of CLI we will do everything. So let's do that. So now I'm going to add, with the help of CLI, I'm going to generate new component, and with the help of Angular material I'm going to add navigation sector, and I will name this component as navigation. So it will automatically generate this component, and it will create the styling and everything by default. So let's see how it does that. All these files have been created, you can see on my left side too. So in navigation we have new components and everything. Now instead of this welcome, I'll load app navigation. So once we save that, now let's see the browser. We should see the result of this navigation component should be loaded in our browser. It will compile this application again, and once it compile it successfully, then we will see the result. So here we go guys, you see after adding a navigation component, we have all this section with the colored theme and everything aligned beautifully. So this is the beauty of Angular CLI, how we can create a navigation in this section in our project just with the help of couple of commands. So we are not staying here, we are going to add one more thing in this application. This is called dashboard. So in this section we are going to add dashboard with the help of Angular CLI. So what we will do, generate Angular material, and we will add dashboard, and we'll name this section as dashboard 2. So let's wait for that. Once it adds this dashboard in the application, it will automatically create the files. It will automatically update app.module.ts. We do not have to do anything. Just we have to do in navigation section in the HTML, where we have to add content. Here I am going to add app dashboard section, and that's it. So just after adding that, it will recompile the application and we will see the result in the browser. Here we are. So you see how beautifully it has added dashboard section to in the application, and you see there are a couple of cards included automatically, and we can customize this card and we can customize this layout according to our needs, according to our demand. So this is basically a single page application how we have configured just the help of Angular CLI, and of course this view will be responsive as well. Now I'm not staying here, we are going to go further. One more step we are going to take in this direction. We are going to upload this application on a live server in this video, so that you can see how we can upload this application, and you can also upload your applications too. So to do so, what we have to do, we have to add another thing called Firebase. So we have to do add Angular Fire in our application. It will install a couple of packages which is required for that, and this is also we are doing with the CLI. It will install packages. Once these packages are done, we are ready to upload this application. It will ask me a couple of questions like for which Firebase database I am going to link this application. We have to create database in Firebase. I have already created that, so it will ask me if I want with which database I want to link that. Just I have to select database, rest of things will be done. Here we go. It has successfully installed the packages. Now I have to select project, with which project I am going to link this application. So I'm going to go with this first project I have in the list. It will update and it will just link my application to that project. Now the last thing I'm going to do is ng deploy. So with the help of just this command, it will upload this application, deploy this application on a live URL, and we will see that too. Here we go. Okay guys, our deployment has been completed successfully. Now we will just hit this URL and we will see the result of this application which we have created in the live environment tool. So this is the URL and you will see all this application which we have created on localhost. We will see that on uploaded on live URL too. So this is the beauty of Angular CLI, how we can create robust, successful, responsive applications with no time, and we can upload that too, we can deploy that too. So this is how the world is changing nowadays. So stay tuned, there are a lot more coming up in my next videos related to especially Angular. This is my favorite topic. I will keep you posted about that. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.